welcome to another video. Yes, Ding Ding, another week, another video. Yes, go girl, kaya natin to. I'm really trying my best to come up with a video for you guys every week so that we will have, time to catch up every week. And for this video, guys, I hope that this will be helpful for everyone because I know some of us are really experiencing issues and problems with our skin, especially now that almost most of the time we are wearing masks, especially if we are outside, and may face shield pa. So I know that some of our skin, it's really adjusting with the way we live nowadays. So I hope that this product review will also give you a hint and also will help you out with your problems. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay mga ningning, so for this video, we will be featuring and we will be reviewing a particular product that I am actually trying for almost a month right now. I'll be showing you another Korean product, guys, and I hope and I really hope that it will really help you guys, some of you. And just like what I've mentioned in our introduction, I know some of us are really experiencing acne because most of the time, especially if we are outside, we are wearing mask and sometimes or most of the time may face shield pa. So I know hindi makahinga yung ating skin because of those two things that we have to wear every now and then. So I hope this product will help you, and we will be featuring or reviewing this product over here. Actually guys, it has cover pa or design here, but natapon ko na siya kasi nga I'm using the product already. So this is the product from SKIN1004, and this specific set is their The Untouched Nature, so that is their collection. Yeah, okay. So diba, let me just comment or let me just say something about the packaging. The packaging is so nice, guys. Like, I love the packaging, especially if it's reusable. Like, after getting the product, you don't have to throw it away. But this one is so sturdy. Karton talaga siya, guys. Matigas talaga siya. So, you can definitely reuse it as your storage. As for me, I'm using it to store my chargers. So, dito ko nilalagay yung mga cellphone charger ko, yung mga mouse charger. So, all the wires are here inside. But of course, not today because I need to show you how the product looks like with the packaging. So, ganito siya. It is a color brown, and then the detail here, it's gold, which is really slick and nice. Yan. And I can really say that the line is really after nature because it's color brown, if I may say. So ayan, let's open it. Okay, if you will open it, you will see the beautiful products inside. So we have a toner. We also have Ampoule, or yeah, the Ampoule, and then the soothing cream. This is their moisturizer. So this is the toner has 210 ml. I think they also have a bigger size. And then next, the Ampoule has 100 ml. And then lastly, the soothing cream is 30 ml. So this is the set, guys. And this is actually available in Lazada and Shopee. So you can definitely purchase this one, guys. If ever you will buy this one, guys, I suggest you buy it in a set. Because I think, and yeah, it's really cheaper when you buy it in a set than per piece. So, mas maganda siya bilhin ng isang buo. And then, of course, you will really get the benefit of the product since you are trying the whole set. As for me, I'm doing like that. I'm trying the whole set. So, my skin is really getting the benefits from this product set. Okay? So, now, let's move on to each of the product. Let's discuss how these products can help your skin, especially nowadays. So, yeah, isa-isahin natin siya. Okay, now let's discuss this toner. So, as you can see, guys, is medyo nabawasan na talaga siya. And maybe you would ask, I'm using it for a month now, but ang konti pa rin. Because, guys, I'm using my hands to apply the product on my face. So, I'm just really putting enough amount on my skin, and then I'm using my hands to apply it. I'm not using any cotton, but you can definitely use cotton, guys, in applying this one. And I'm actually using this one every night before going to work. I know, before working at home, I mean. I'm using this one every night because in the morning, I'm using a different product because I have 2 different sets of skincare for my evening, and then for my morning I'm using a different one because yeah, I just really want it like that. But you are really free to use it every morning and every night. As for my research, this set is really okay to use for everyday skincare. So you can use it for your morning or evening skincare, okay? And then let's focus on the toner, guys. Actually, I list the benefits of this one so that I will not forget anything. But if ever you have questions, just comment it below. I'll be glad to answer that if I know. So this product or this toner is really, actually the set is made up of pure Centella Asiatica from Madagascar. So diba, shell from Madagascar pa siya. And this particular toner over here is gently exfoliates your skin, and it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which is good for exfoliating and removing your blemishes. At the same time, it's also hydrating your skin because of the hyaluronic acid ingredient. And this toner, guys, it's super light, it's not sticky at all, and if ever you will put it on your skin, I don't know if it's just me, but you will really feel that your skin is being hydrated. You will really feel like parang yung feeling na nauhaw ka, then uminom ka ng tubig. That's the feeling when you put this toner on your skin. That's why I really love to put it using my hands and then massaging it onto my skin. I just feel like my skin is really hydrated because of this toner. And yon, and this 210 ml, I'm pretty sure you can use this one for months depending on how you use it. If you will use it morning and nighttime, maybe you can use it for a month or 2, but for me, I'm using it for a month right now, only during nighttime. So this is how it looks like now. Okay, and I just really want to commend the sleek packaging of this toner. I can really sense that this particular toner is part of the Untouched Nature set because of the brown color. I don't know if it's the bottle or the water itself or the formula itself, it's brown or what, I'm not sure. So malaki na siya, guys, 210 ml. It's really pretty good for the price. So ayan, don't worry guys, I'll be putting the links in the description box where you can buy it, so that easy click na lang kayo, and then if you want to give it a try, then go ahead. Now after putting the toner, of course you need to massage the toner onto your skin and then let it dry for a minute. And then after that, okay, now let's move on to the ampoule. So for this one, guys, just like the others, it has pure Centella Asiatica from Madagascar, and this one is really good for acne scars, just like what I mentioned a while ago. That's why I want to suggest this one for those who are experiencing acne, because this is really good for acne scars or lightening up your skin. And also, this is like, it will calm your scars, parang ganon. So parang tumutulong siya to lighten your skin. And then, this is also good for sensitive skin. This is light and smooth on your skin, hyperallergenic. That's why it's really nice, guys. So if you are having acne and then your skin is sensitive, this is really good for you. I hope that this is really good for you. But just like what I'm always telling you guys, always do the basic skin test on your skin before trying any product. You can put it on your jawline here, or you can also do it at the back of your ears. But for me, I'm putting it here every time that I will try a new product, so that I'm sure that I don't have any, allergy on that specific product. So you can also do that first before trying the product. And as far as I know, Lazada or Shopee, they have their sample size, so you can buy that one first if you want to try it, so that you would know if you have allergic reaction or not. So I'll be putting the link of those in the description box. And yeah, this one doesn't have any smell at all. Actually, all the products doesn't have any smell, so super natural lang yung amoy niya. It's not disturbing at all, and then yeah, really smooth onto your skin. And this ampoule, guys, it's not so sticky. It's not like super oily. Hindi siya ganon. And ang bilis lang ma-absorb ng skin mo. Kaya ramdam na ramdam mo talaga na yung skin mo is really getting all the benefits from the product. So that is the ampoule. Let me show you the consistency of the product. Okay. So you have this kind of applicator. So when you put it here, ayan siya. It's like, for me, if I'll be describing it, it's like 50% water and then oil because it's not really oily and then my skin is really absorbing it really, really fast. So as you can see, ganyan siya makita on your skin. And then you will really see that your skin is glowing after putting the product on your skin, and then just give it a nice massage so that you know that the skin is really absorbing all the product. Okay, and then we also have the last one, which is their soothing cream or the moisturizer. So this is also made up of pure Centella Asiatica from Madagascar, and it has 30 ml. This one is super light. I really love that it's on the last part when you put it on your skin kasi it's like it covers all the products that you put on your skin. Super light, and it maintains the natural moisture of your skin. It hydrates your skin, and also it's not sticky at all. So after putting the last part of your skincare, which is this one, you will really feel like your skin is absorbing all the 3 products because of this. It's like parang kino-cover niya yung lahat ng products na nilalagay mo sa skin just to make sure that your skin is really absorbing all the benefits from the products. And it's not sticky, so it's good as last part of your skincare. Hindi mo mafe-feel na parang ang lagkit-lakit. It's not like that. And it's like parang gel type siya. And the color is brown. Like this. So as you can see, ganyan yung color niya. And then, when you put it on your skin, ang bilis lang niya ma-absorb. Hindi siya malagkit. That's why it's really nice. Even though mainit sa Pinas, it's okay. And mabilis naman siya ma-absorb ng skin mo. So you will not really feel sticky the whole day. Okay? And then, as for this particular set, this is good for sensitive skin, all skin type, and just like what I mentioned a while ago, this is really good for everyday use. So you can definitely use it every day before putting your mask on. You can use it, and especially after using the mask, or if ever you will remove your mask na, so you have to cleanse your face and then apply this particular product over here. And I hope that it will really help you out with your maskne. Just make sure that you will use it like every day, or give your skin a time to use it for a long time para mas makita natin yung benefits of the product sa skin natin. So as for me, I'm really loving it, guys, kasi nga hindi siya malagkit. Alam naman natin na mainit sa Pinas, but this particular product over here is really good. Hindi ako tinigyawat, hindi ako nag-breakout dito sa product na to. So it's really good for all sensitive skin and all skin types. So I hope you can give it a try, and I just really want to share this one because yun nga, marami nagtatanong sa akin if ever ano yung product na I could suggest, especially for those who are experiencing maskne. And as for me, this product is really good for that, good for acne prone skin. So yeah, I just really want to share that one to you guys. And if ever you have any question regarding the product, just don't hesitate to comment below, or you can also follow SKIN1004 sa Instagram account nila. They have all the information that you need for the products, and also don't forget to read the description in Shopee and Lazada as well. They have all the information of the product. And yeah, if ever you have question about the product, just don't hesitate to comment it below. And follow me, guys, on my socials, all at @diaferrer, my TikTok at dia.ferrer. Just like I always say, guys, don't forget to always take care of your skin, be beautiful, and explore the world. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe to the channel. Bye, guys! Keep safe!